Men/Women is a game of objectification. The way this game works is we're going to get a series of objects from you guys, and we have to compare them to men and or women. So, let me hear a series of objects from you guys.
Belts.
Water. Sofa. Tape measure. Empire.
I like my men/women like I like my tape measurers.
I like my men like I like my tape measures. They always seem to snap back.
I like my men like I like my tape measures.
I like my women like I like my tape measure, tucked away in my closet until I need them.
Oh. I like my women like I like my tape measure. Yellow.
I like my women like I like my tape measure. Dependable.
Oh.
Still single.
I like my men like I like my tape measures. I found mine at Lowe's.
Oh.
I like my women like I like my tape measures. Fuck off. It technically belongs to me, but I just let my lesbian friend use it.
Anyway, I like my men like I like my tape measure. If you're not careful when you play with them, you might lose an eye.
Oh my.
I like my women like I like my tape measure. Every time I use them, I also use a bunch of sharp objects.
New objects.
Tires.
Coins.
Fruit.
Oil.
I like my women like I like my men/women like I like my fruits.
I like my men like I like my fruit. Seedless.
She was great.
I like my women like I like my fruits. Juicy.
I like my women like I like my fruits. Preserved, jellied, and canned.
What?
It's not like this at home.
I like my women like I like my fruit. They don't bruise easily.
I like my women like I like my fruit. Tomatoes.
I like my men like I like my fruits. Firm.
New objects.
Base.
Cleaning products.
I like my men/women like I like my cleaning products.
What was it?
I like my men like I like my cleaning products. There's no stain afterward.
I like my women like I like my cleaning products. I have a few, but I never use them.
I like my men like I like my cleaning products. They get in the hard to reach places.
I like my women like I like my women like I like my cleaning products. I like my women like I like my cleaning products. Deadly when left unintended with children.
I like my men like I like my cleaning products. Hazardous if swallowed.
Objectification.
Objectification?
No, objectification.
You could say personification.
No, why would I say that?